Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to remove a folder from the sidebar on the Find application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Find application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way onto the dock. Go to the Find application. Now, as you know, in the previous tutorial, I did demonstrate to you how to add a folder to the sidebar. So let's just now focus on that same folder, which is my YouTube channel. If I were to click this folder, it would directly take me to my YouTube channel folder. Let's go back one. Let's right click the folder, and now it says removed from sidebar. This folder itself has now been removed. For us to go back to the folder, we would have to physically find the folder and locate the folder before we double click to access that folder. And there we go. So let's now quit Finder. Let's now go all the way onto the dock again, go back to the Find application, and there you go. That folder on the sidebar is no longer available because we have removed it. Let's now quit Finder. And so that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.